Day 3, leaving the beautiful town of Grasmere, headed to Borrowdale. A couple of years back, I went up that way to Helm Crag, but this time we're going down here, Borrowdale. Down that way. So peaceful. Almost up. Not long to go. We made it up there. Now we come down this way. There's supposed to be a trail somewhere there, but oh, there's a guy up there. So okay, I don't feel so bad then. There's always a little bit of off-road involved when I plan these. It should be like a big trail because it says that it's for bikes. I assume anywhere that doesn't look too bushy or grown like this. Very boggy, a bit soft but manageable. I just don't want to end up in a Mr. Bolden story, that's all. So there was a trail, I just didn't see it. I just came all the way through that boggy crap there and wet my foot. Bloody hell. Now there's plenty of people, so we're good to go. You can see civilization down there in the background.